Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm gonna be unboxing and possibly reviewing the Maonocaster. This product I've been waiting a long time to get my hands on it. Let's see if I can make this channel a lot better with it. So let's go ahead and open it. Let's move this to the side and let's start opening up. Okay. Looks like it's upside down, so let's put it on the other side. There we go. Whoa. Very, very nice package. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, if it looks half of what the package shows, I'm just speechless. I can say I'm speechless. Look at it. Just look at this package. It looks amazing. Let's see. It has a 16mm large microphone capsule, 2.5 XLR cable, built-in battery, multi-channel mixing, multi-channel streaming, high-quality preamps, voice effects, and 50mm headphone drivers. Okay. This package that I ordered from their Kickstarter, I got it as a super early bird. I got the one with 2 microphones and 2 headphones. So let's see if I can do something with that. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. Opens right up. Ooh. A letter to backers of Maonocaster. Awesome. Alex Liu. Thank you, Alex. Thank you for sending this amazing product. Okay. Here's the product description. A few cards, descriptions, and how to work things out. Okay. Good, good. Okay. And okay, for the custom layouts. Nice. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be bigger. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but this is just perfect size. Doesn't occupy much space, so just perfect. Okay, USB-C cable, audio cables. Whoa, I got it. They sent 4 audio cables, perfect, and 1 USB-C cable. Okay, good. Let's see what else we got. Okay, the headphone cables. People got 2. The headphones. They look amazing. At least in look wise, it looks a very, very good quality. At least it looks like it. We'll have to test it out afterwards. Okay, we got one, we got two headphones. Let's take out the Maonocaster. Man, it's really, really small. I still can't get over it. It's really, really small. And I love it. Let's see what's underneath. Nothing over here, nothing over there. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. I'm just gonna take one out so you can see it. The second one is for future occasion. What a nice looking microphone. Really, really nice looking microphone. Really, really good looking microphone. Feels really heavy on the hands. So at least it seems to be good quality. It seems to be. So let's hope it is that way. Oh, the microphone stand. We got one cable, one microphone stand. They went above and beyond. This is heavy. They simply went above and beyond. I'm speechless again. I'm speechless. I love it. I'm really, really into it. I really love the quality, how it looks, how it feels, everything. I'm loving it. Okay, let's see what we have here on this pouch. Aha! They sent a lavalier. Lavalier. Man, this thing just keeps getting better and better. Nothing underneath. Okay. Not that I'm expecting anything else, but I'm gonna go for the microphone first, the regular microphone. We're gonna work with the lavalier afterwards. Okay. Nice. 3.5 to an adapter, microphone adapter. I have no idea how this goes. I've never used one of these before, so I'm asking your forgiveness because I know nothing about this. This is completely new to me. I have no idea how to work this. Whoop. I have no idea how to work this. I'm gonna leave this cable over here. Okay. I don't need anything else. Okay. Let's close this up. Okay. That's how it goes. That's how you put it in. See, pictures help. Now I know how it goes. Okay. Oh, good. this way or that way? I think it's this way. Let's put it right here. Oh. It's really snugly. We can raise it up. We can lower it down. Oh. The other way. Let's raise it up. And let's put it over here. The other way. Yeah. Let's lower it down. Remember, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's put it this way. So, yeah, let's put it like this, like in the picture. So, if it works. Okay. Let's see if this has any power on. Yes, it does. It has some power. Oh, nice. Okay, let's connect this over here. You don't need it all, but it's good to know that the cable is long. Should be this way. Good. Yeah, put it right on the first try. Nice. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, finally got it to work. Now, let's try it out. I can lower the volume. I can also raise the volume. The gain, microphone gain. I can lower it. I can raise it. I could manage the pitch.
I can speak like this.
Or like this. And so, yeah, finally got it to work. That wasn't the one. Yay. Got it to work. But I still know nothing about this. Also, let's see, what else can we do? Oh, I can also speak right now. So it doesn't matter. I can still be PG-13 even if I start talking about anything or saying whatever I want to say. So it's good. We're good. We're good to go. So let's get this on the road. Okay, let's see, what else can we do. Let's go with a female voice.
Okay. No, this is not female. See, let's change it. Okay, now I sing more female. Not so much, but still a little better than it was. Okay.
Let's go with the male voice.
Okay, this is really good. I have a deep voice, but this is way deep. This must be like for female speaking, sound more male-like, but
I can still
picture out. Okay, this sounds more like me. Okay,
This is my pitch. Let's go deeper.
more.
Okay, this is good. This is good. Let's go with a baby voice.
Okay. No, this sounds exactly like a female voice. Okay. Goo goo gaga. Goo 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 gaga.
No, that sounds exactly the same.
Let's see what the robot voice. No, this sounds horrible. Okay, let's see. No. Okay, let's see the robot voice. No, this
Does not sound like a robot. Nope.
not at all.
That is how a robot should sound like. Okay, let's check this out. So, looks like we can do that. Okay. I love this machine. I'll give you a review afterwards. Because I really love it. It's old, but it's amazing. So, what do you think so far? I think it's pretty good. I think it's amazing. Oh, I can also mute the microphone. You can't hear anything, so you can hear me through the camera. Now you can hear me through the microphone. And I'm speaking real low, so I don't have to strain my voice that much. You can hear me loud and clear. I'm raising it up a little bit. But yeah, it's really, really good. Okay, I can program three different custom programs to this. So one of those, it's gonna be the intro song, obviously. The Here's Tommy intro song from Oh Boy, and Juice from Oh Boy, and that's it. That's it. We're done. So remember, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care.